Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this super cute daisy flower. It's quick, easy, and perfect for adding a sweet touch to your projects. You can also get creative by changing the petal colors to make a rainbow flower. This little flower is perfect as a keychain, bag decoration, or accessory to add a sweet handmade touch to anything you like. It's fun and easy enough for beginners, so if you're new to crochet, be sure to give it a try. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm hook, a pair of scissors, a needle, a stuffing tool, a pair of 5mm eye bead. Let's start with the ray. Make a knot in a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close off the round. If you have trouble recognizing the first stitch of the round, you can place a stitch marker on the first stitch of each round to help keep track. Then chain 1 to start the next round. Work 1 increase in each stitch around. That means 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. You should have a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close off the round, then chain 1 to start the next round. Repeat this step at the end and beginning of every round. In round 2, make 1 single crochet, followed by 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times around. By the end of the round, you should have a total of 18 stitches. In round 3 to 5, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around until the end of each round. In round 6, we begin decreasing. Work 1 decrease, followed by 7 single crochets. Repeat this sequence 2 times around. You should have a total of 16 stitches at the end of this round. In the following round, continue working according to the written pattern to complete the piece. Then fill with polyester fiber, stuffing until it's fully filled. Repeat the same pattern until you have made a total of 10 pieces. Next, let's work on the disc part. Start by making a magic ring. Then crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to close the round and chain 1 to begin the next round. In round 1, work 1 increase in each stitch around. That means 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. You should have a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close off the round, then chain 1 to start the next round. In the following round, continue working according to the written pattern to complete the piece. Repeat the same pattern to work another piece of the disc. After completing the disc, remember to place the eye between rounds 2 and 3. Make sure it's centered. Since the eye is very tiny, you can secure it with a lighter to keep it in place. Be careful when using the lighter to avoid burning the yarn. Don't do like me. I forgot to place the eye first, and it made things a bit tricky. After that, sew both pieces together by stitching through the back loops only, leaving the front loops open so you can sew the ray later. And remember, do not close the hole just yet. Leave it open for sewing the ray later, so you can hide the yarn tail and stuff the polyester fiber inside. Sew the 10 rays onto the disc, spacing them evenly around the edge. Use about 3 to 4 stitches from the front loop of the disc to securely attach each ray. When sewing the next ray, start from the same last stitch used for the previous ray. This way, all the rays are connected closely together without any gaps in between. Before attaching the last 2 rays, fill the disc with polyester fiber to give it some shape. Then close the hole securely and go ahead to attach the final 2 rays. Lastly, use black yarn to sew the mouth in any shape you like. A smile, a smirk, or anything cute. You can also add a bit of color to the cheeks or details if you'd like. And that's it! Your adorable daisy is all done. I hope you had fun making it with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love to see your version too. Feel free to share it with me. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!